I'm Amy, I'm 10 years old and I am very interested in aviation, so much that I'm already a pilot. First time I actually took controls, when my instructor said, "You want to take controls?" I was absolutely petrified, as they had taken me up for a first couple of flights beforehand, but I had absolutely no idea how. They said, "Do you want to try?" And I said, "Sure." And I just held it, and it felt like I was already 21. I already had all my licenses, and I was actually flying it. So it just felt like a dream. It was a dream come true, because from then on, I knew I was going to be the pilot that I wanted to be.
Luckily, they are probably high enough that they cannot bother us.
In grade 4, some of the boys used to be very mean to me, saying that you can't fly before you get a driver's license, but you actually can fly a plane legally before you get a driver's license. So today I flew the Pipistrel Electric, which, like in the name, it is one of the few electric planes that I know.
Now, so if you turn on that first switch first, other one first. That's okay. We are very early days with electric aviation. There's been a lot of testing over the past 50 or 80 years. All sorts of contraptions have been made, but nothing really took and was developed and pushed to production before the aircraft that you see behind us. The Pipistrel Alpha Electra that we have here is the first ever production electric aircraft created.
And I am very proud to be able to help the future of aviation by lessening carbon emissions and flying electric.